The Indian Space Research Organisation successfully launched 19 satellites on Sunday as part of the first dedicated commercial PSLV mission for its commercial company New Space India Limited from Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota. The PSLV C-51 mission carried Brazil's Amazonia 1 as a primary payload, along with 18 other guest satellites, including 5 Indian satellites. This is ISRO's first launch of 2021 and the 53rd flight of the PSLV. This is the third flight of the DL variant. A picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi was engraved on the top panel of the spacecraft. Coronavirus vaccines will be capped at 250 rupees per shot at private hospitals and health centres, the Health Ministry said on Saturday. Vaccines will be free in all government hospitals and centres. The government on Friday said it will let people choose their coronavirus vaccination centres when the campaign expands on Monday to cover those over 60 and those over 45 with illnesses. Polling for 81 municipalities, 31 district panchayats and 231 taluk panchayats are underway in Gujarat. Counting of votes will be held on March 2nd. The official said voting for 8,473 seats comprising 2,720 in 680 wards in municipalities, 980 in district panchayats and 4,773 in taluk panchayats is underway across 36,008 booths. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who is on a 3-day Tamil Nadu tour, will be attending various events in the state on Sunday. Rahul will be taking part in party meeting and will address people as part of his campaigning for the upcoming polls in the state. Gandhi on Saturday had targeted Prime Minister Modi and RSS on number of issues. Amit Shah will address public meetings in poll-bound Tamil Nadu and Puducherry on Sunday. Party leader said Shah will also take organizational meetings in both the states. Amit Shah has already reached Tamil Nadu on Saturday and is scheduled to hold a meeting in Karaikal in Puducherry on Sunday morning. This meeting will be followed by Vijay Sankalp Rally in Viluppuram district in Tamil Nadu. BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda will be on a 2-day visit to Varanasi from Sunday, where he will participate in various programs of the party and meet BJP MPs and MLAs. Apart from inaugurating BJP's new regional party office, he will also address party functionaries during his visit. The United States has authorized Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use, adding a third jab to its medical toolbox to fight one of the world's worst coronavirus outbreaks. The Food and Drug Administration said on Saturday that Johnson & Johnson's single-dose vaccine offered strong protection against serious illnesses, hospitalizations and deaths. Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan has said that he will undergo surgery due to a medical condition. The 78-year-old actor took his blog to inform millions of his fans that he will be undergoing surgery. BCCI has decided to host IPL 2021 in 6 cities, which includes Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi and Ahmedabad. The cash-rich tournament is slated to begin in the second week of April.